Welcome to HUMKADAM PVC Footwear UDYOG, a beacon of excellence and innovation in the realm of footwear manufacturing. We bring to the fore a vast range of sandals, flip-flops, and shoes, each crafted with precision and a keen eye for detail. Our strength lies in our use of premium-grade PVC materials, chosen for their durability and flexibility. Employing state-of-the-art techniques, our skilled craftsmen create footwear that marries style with durability, ready to withstand the rigors of daily use. We go beyond the surface, ensuring each pair is designed with cushioned insoles and ergonomic features for utmost comfort. Our footwear offers a perfect fit, promising long-lasting comfort throughout the day. At HUMKADAM, we hold ourselves to the highest standards of quality, implementing strict quality control measures at each production stage. Our commitment to excellence is echoed in the positive feedback from our satisfied customers. We take pride in our ethical and sustainable approach. Our manufacturing processes prioritize eco-friendly methods, and we uphold fair labor practices, making a positive impact on both the environment and our workforce. Our extensive distribution network ensures our footwear is within reach, whether you're in search of stylish sandals for casual wear or durable shoes for outdoor activities. Step into a world of quality and craftsmanship with HUMKADAM PVC Footwear UDYOG. Experience the perfect blend of style, comfort, and durability with us, where every step is a testament to our commitment to excellence.